Talking Smack over Xbox Live, an educational film from the State Education Department. Part 1. Smack Talking. Smack Talking is the key to any Xbox Live victory. Your Xbox Live communicator is your primary weapon. Remember, any fool can kill someone, but it takes a real tactician to make fun of them when they're dead. Imagine, if you will, Timmy, that I have my hand pressed against your forehead and you are frantically swinging at me trying to knock me down. Imagine if I was laughing at you, saying, "What's the matter? Why can't you hit me, Timmy?" Wouldn't that anger you?
Well, gosh darn golly, mister, I'd be pretty mad.
There you go. Remember, attacking a player's skill is the key to victory.
Gosh darn golly, you're gonna die.
No. That was all wrong. Let's try that one again. This time, remember, you have anonymity. He doesn't know where you live. He doesn't know your name. And chances are, you'll never see him again.
You're no good. You suck at this game.
Admirable effort, Timmy. But you're not quite there yet. This time, act like you have a personal vendetta against this person.
Gosh, but I don't, mister.
I know, Billy, but that doesn't matter. This is Xbox Live. Act like he pimp-slapped your mom.
My mom? That son of a bitch!
There you go.
Oh, bitch.
Fantastic. Now that we've mastered the art of smack talking, let's learn the other half of this 1-2 punch. Part 2. The corpse hump. The corpse hump is a simple up and down motion over the top of a dead player's body. However, this simple motion translates to the dead player that they are now your property, and that you will do with them as you please. Talk about frustrating. That's it, Billy. Show them who the Big Papa is. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Remember, when corpse humping, you are very vulnerable. Oh! Double kill. Part 3. Voice masking. Voice masking is there for a reason. It is important for your safety.
I can't understand a word you're saying. I can't understand a freaking word you're saying.
Remember to always use a voice mask. Part 4. Not your kill? No problem. Even if it is not your kill, it is your responsibility to make that person feel worthless.
Drink your Ovaltine, bitch.
Good job, Timmy. Part 5. No-scoping. No-scoping is hard. Remember, when no-scoping someone, do not let them know it was an accident.
Oh my god, did you see that? I no-scoped you in the face. Holy moly.
Acting like you're as surprised as they are will make you look like a fool. Instead, play it off like it was your intention the whole time.
Holy moly, that merit badge and marksmanship's paying off. Oh, bitch.
That's the way. They'll think twice before approaching you. Part 6. The post-game. Even if you lost the match, it's always important to get in the last word.
You guys might have won, but I bet I had better standardized test scores.
Good job. They'll always remember you, but be sure not to linger too long.
Eat shit, shit-eater. Nobody likes you.
Oh, you just got served. Part 7. Rockets. The rocket is a fire-and-forget weapon. Simply fire and forget it took no skill. Remember to always use the lock-on feature when attacking vehicles. Even if you miss with your rocket at first, don't count yourself out. Oh! Nice curve. Triple kill. Part 8. Spawn camping. When camping the spawn, remember, always invite friends to join in on the fun. Keep in mind, it's only funny when it's not happening to you. That's the ticket. Excellent work. No, boys, there are enough kills to go around. Oh, own dizzled. Now that's being a grade A jerk. Part 9. That about wraps up this educational video. Remember, kids, stay in drugs, don't do school, and always, listen to your grandparents.